What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm doing a quick update for Matic. Starting to get dark here in Bali, Indonesia. So we're currently sitting at 88 cents, up 3.3 on the day. Seeing market cap of 7.59 billion. 24-hour volume, 270 million. Let's hop into the charts. Let's actually start with this one here, which is our wave count. So we're looking at this as a potential wave 2. But I think we're going to see a bit of an extended wave 2 and put in an ABC correction. I'm just going to quickly remove this. So I think we're looking to put in that wave C. What we might be seeing here, grab my brush, is this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5 to put in a wave C. Probably look at 100% extension of wave A. So that would take you up to about 93 cents for the price of Matic, which is previous resistance. So we'll come up and test that level once again in a potential wave C before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. So that target area is right around 93 cents for our friend Matic. If we pop over to our next chart here, we talked about the bearish cross printing on the daily time frame. So what we might see here is we do break above it just a little bit here, but I think we will come up and hit resistance once again and then roll over and see continuation to the downside, as I do think we are going to come down to that 40-cent range, in my opinion, in between about 40 to 50 cents. In a wave C, if we zoom out, what we're looking at here is all of this is a potential wave 1, where you've come up in a wave, where you've come up in a 5-wave move, wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This is a wave 3, drawn out wave 4, final wave 5. Looking to put in an A, B, C correction to bring you down to the 40-cent range. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback, boom. Shoot up in a wave 3. Matic is one of the stronger coins in the market. I do think will be an absolute juggernaut in the next bull run. I'll definitely be loading the bags at that 40-cent range. We have this rising wedge technical target all the way down here of about 32 cents, but I don't think Matic will make it all the way down there unless Bitcoin really shits the bed. Even if Bitcoin comes down to about 10 to 13K, I do think Matic will just come down to the 40-cent range. That's my opinion. We broke down from the symmetrical triangle. We met the target, and we're starting to see a nice little push to the upside. And I think we will see continuation in a wave C. Let me zoom back in here. Push up in a wave C. Push up in a wave C, complete the wave 2, and then come down in a wave 3. And if we get rejected here at 93 cents, we can give a measurement for the wave 3, take your trend basic extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of the wave 2. And the wave 3 target would take you down to about 63 cents. Wave 4, wave 5, complete the larger wave 3, which is here in red. Put in a wave 4 and a final wave 5. That would complete that wave 2 pullback. All right, gang. That's basically it. Just a quick little update. We're currently making some juicy profits on our Bitcoin long position. Which I gave a trade signal in the Discord at 10 USD per month. Price of a Big Mac meal. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon link, but you can have completely free access to all chat rooms. If you either sign up to BitGet or Bybit, $30,000 in bonuses right now. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me or sign up email, and I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. All right, gang, that is it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button. Much love. Take care.